Hi guys, Banat Loft. This video is made specifically for Mr. Simon Lin from Taiwan. He requested to get some birds, super breeders for me, and so that's why I picked for him, and I'll show you. These are birds from one of the best ones I have, so I just picked them random. So this is blue check cock. Beautiful glass eyes, glossy eyes. I mean, he just want to stay still. Look now, he just want to go. I want to show you his wings. He's from 2020. Ring number 5799. He is the ex-son of my Chantilly cock from 2009, bred to his daughter, my fourth ace pigeon. So it's a father-daughter breeding, inbred, on Chantilly. Pure Jensen. Yeah, his mom won fourth ace pigeon, fourth average speed, and fourth in points. So super bred. I still got mom and I still got father, so I can repeat that breed so I can sell them. You have to talk about the price because that's a very well-bred bird. So that's a cock. This hen, it's mom to my last year $2 money winner in California, Gold Country Challenge. She bred Golden Rocket. Her father is Gallagher, and her mom is Royal Lady Voss bloodline. Super breeder. She's from 2019, I believe. Yes, 2019. Ring number 6308. So this is a hen. Pure Jensen, 100% Jensen. One more time, show you the wing. I've been racing, and one of the races is 2018 till now. You can't win them all, but I'm trying to stay in top 20%. And so far I'm achieving that, so I win some and sometimes you don't win much, but so that's the hen. This cock is from Holland. He's from 20, I believe 16. I can't read this ring now because I have my glasses. I think it's 2016. He's father to the hen I just showed you guys. He's the Gallagher cock. He's on large side, super breeder. So he's from Holland import. This hen, I gotta have half sister, so I guess I could sell her too. I mean, look, let me show her because she's from 20, I want to say 17. I'm not 100% sure. I have to look. Yeah, 2017. Wondervoska. And 019 bloodline. Super well-bred bird. Again, she's imported from Holland. medium size, beautiful hen. Like I said, I have a half sister to her, so I guess I could sell her. I don't like selling imports because it costs me a lot of money to bring them, and so this is hen. I have one more hen to show. I'm not sure if I want to sell this one or not, but I'll show it. This one is 3/4. No, this one's 50-50, I believe. Yeah, she's 7 reed on top and Miss Chantilly on the bottom. I sent her birds this year to one of the guys. We'll see how they do. We've been all round up. Her father was full brother to champion money winning one love race. Super. She flew all the way to 300 miles. Super good. She's tested, all tested, so, and nice breeder too. So Stephen Reed and Jensen. Very intelligent bird. So that's it. Those are those few birds that I had to show. This was for Simon Lee. So if you're interested, please give me a call or send me an email. Either way. So that's what I have for you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Give you new to my channel. Please subscribe. Hit that like button if you like it. And thank you. Have a nice day.